So this is what I got from the fridge. We got some chocolate, condensed milk, and then some, I'm not sure how you call it internationally, but here in Indonesia we call it kabin or gabin. So what I want to make is kind of inspired from cake pop. So, yeah, let's go. On the outside it says almond, but actually it's green tea inside. Haha. Bam. So yeah, I want to crush it first to make the base. For saving time and energy, haha, I will use the food processor. So let's put it in and crush them up. Oh my god. I think it's enough, so we can move to the next step. Yeah. So yeah, this is the crush cracker. Not perfectly smooth like sand texture, but it's okay. I'm gonna pour it into the plate and adding this condensed milk to make it more, so we can shape it. Crush it a little bit. I wash my hands, so don't worry. Then edit it little by little. Disclaimer, I don't know the exact measurement, so I just, try and error. So, yeah. This is how it looks so far. Not too bad actually, because I will eat it anyway. So, let's pop it into the fridge, let it chill. Let it cool down and give it more form so I can coat it in chocolate later. Next, so here I got my cutting board. Not the best cutting board, I know, but it's just work well. And then a bunch of chocolate and how do you say it? I don't know. And so basically I want to chop this chocolate into small pieces using the I'm actually not sure how much I need the chocolate, so the things will be coated well. Why English is so hard? So yeah, let's chop it up and put it into this cup and melt them down. As I mentioned before, this is actually a green tea. You can see that. And I'm sorry if my eyes go from that point to that point because I'm recording with my phone. So I'm not exactly focused on when, here I'm looking at the camera and here I'm looking at my face on the screen. So forgive me for that, okay? The temperature is kinda warm, so my chocolate is already melted by itself right now. I don't know if you can see it or not, but surely it's become so soft even in just the room temperature. So yeah, I think this will be enough. So let's melt it down. I usually melt chocolate in microwave, but unfortunately this guy is broken. So sad. So we will use the traditional way. So what I'm trying to do is I want to boil some water and then put the cup inside. So hopefully it will melt the chocolate and we will coat the block of cracker. I don't know if you can see or not, but the water is start to boiling. So I will put the cup right in the center. Hopefully it will turn out okay. Just wait and make sure to stir it occasionally, so make sure that it won't burn. So yeah, basically it's all melted down. So let's move to the final step. So we got all of the ingredients. We got the cracker, which is not a cracker anymore, and then some milk chocolate. It's hot, don't burn yourself, okay? Okay. So basically we just need to dip the cracker into the chocolate so it will coat it nicely. I hope. Wait a minute, I need another pair. Actually, it's turned out pretty good. So put it into here. Second one. It's hot. It's hot. That's the last one, which I don't know where should I put it. Yeah, so I guess it's basically done. Not the prettiest, but I'm quite sure it tastes okay. So let's pop it into the fridge and let it chocolate form. See you later. Well, actually we have some leftover chocolate, if you can see there. And actually I kinda think of I don't know, is it a crazy idea or super crazy idea? If I'm not wrong, one of my friends ever said to me that you can melt a chocolate bar, add some hot water, and it will become a hot chocolate. So I kinda want to try it. I don't know, is it a good idea or I'm not sure though. But I will try. So I will boil some water, put it in, and let's see what happens. Hopefully I'm still alive. Some people might hate me after this though. Wait. Ooh. So here how it's gonna look like. I think it's kinda looks like a normal hot chocolate, I guess. It's good. Like, seriously, I don't know. It's good. Like, oh my god. I love it. It's weird, but I love it. I don't know if other country, you know, like have that chocolate bar and melt it down with the hot water, but I never see this one in my place, so it's kind of new, but it's good. Good but weird. I mean, I'm weird after all. My friend told me that. Save it for later. The cake pop. I will call it cake pop. So the cake pop is already coated in chocolate, and the chocolate itself is already firm. Not the prettiest side, but I guess it will be okay. So test. And forget that's the camera. Why I keep looking my own face? This is the camera. Me. Ooh. So this is how it looks like. Yum. I mean, it's okay though. Sweet, but I think it will be a lot better if I give some shredded cheddar cheese or something. So it will balance the sweetness. But overall, it's pretty good. Ah. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching me cooking. I don't know, making something. Yum. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the process as much as I do, because it's kinda fun making two kind of food. Well, it's not food though. One food and one drink from the leftover ingredients on the fridge. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Maybe I will focus more on DIY, but tell me if you want to look me cooking ever again. Thank you. Bye bye. Shoo. It's too far.